Andy threw a piece of bread on a duckling's head.
Indy, conserve your bread. I think they've got enough for the moment.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. And if we have more,
look at all the other ducks come over. Look at the mom.
Seagulls.
Oh no.
There's lots of ducks. I'm giving the baby duck.
Mommy going after them. Run away!
How dare
oh my gosh, she is.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. She's like, get away.
Hey.
Look at, oh my god. Yeah, she's like, you get away from me. The bread is all for them.
The bread is for my baby.
Dude, there's a lot.
It's like I wasn't doing anything.
All for my kids. Look at this guy's like, I'm just hanging around.
I gave him some. The mom's like, hey, look, another duck.
That duck is gonna try and get some of that.
Look.
That duck is gonna get some of that now.
Hey, look, another duck is coming.
He's coming for you.
He's coming for you.
Stay away. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Look at all the like seagull feathers. You know the other ducks are like, I'm not gonna eat your ducklings, but this bread is really good. Here comes mama. Better run.
Little brother.